Hello everyone, today we are checking out the Flatsons FT1 tuner pedal. This one is simple, fast and super easy to use, perfect for keeping your guitar in tune during practice or recording. Flatsons sent this to me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. Inside the box you will get the pedal and the manual, same like the other Flatsons pedal. Same compact metal housing as the other Flatsons pedals. It's lightweight, durable and easy to fit on any pedal board. This tuner pedal is designed to give you quick, accurate tuning with a bright display you can see in any angle. For highlights and features, it works with standard 9V DC power. It has an anti-slip pads on the bottom, help keep the pedal from sliding around. It has a true bypass with a mute function, perfect for silent tuning before recording or between songs. In the front, you have 3 controls, flat or display button, 1 for pitch, and 1 for your foot switch. The display button will let you switch between 2 display modes, which is normal and strobe. In normal mode, the red LED on the left means it's flat, the green LED in the center means it's in tune, and red LED on the right means it is sharp. In strobe mode, LEDs move left or right depending on how flat or sharp you are. When the movement stops, you're perfectly in tune. This tuner also has a pitch button which changes the reference pitch, usually set to A4, which is 440 Hz. Most players stays at 440 Hz, but some musicians tune slightly higher or lower depending on the song or band. I'm actually 3D printing a pedal board right now, and if I install this tuner, this would be the first pedal in the chain before anything else. That's the best spot for a tuner. It gives the cleanest signal, make tuning more accurate, and lets me mute the guitar silently before it hits any effects. So this is definitely going right at the front of my board. So that's the Flatsons FT1 tuner pedal. It's compact, accurate, and does exactly what a tuner should do without any extra complications. I'm a casual player, so I don't need any super expensive tuner with advanced features. I just need something fast and accurate, and honestly, I'm satisfied with it. So far, I'm loving it. It's quick, easy to read, and makes tuning simple. For the price and size, it does exactly what I need. That's it for this video. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.